also contains a non-ionic coconut surfactant to make miscible. Orange oil is an extremely versatile and powerful solvent. Use orange oil to remove dirt, grease, oil, food, odors, ink, glue, crayon, soap scum, etc. Number 3. Dawn dish soap. Dawn dish soap proves that you don't need a separate product to remove oil and grime from your kitchen cabinets. Dish liquid soaps are among excellent degreasers because they're effective against grease, whether it's on dishes or cabinets. Dawn makes suds that can hold grease and burned on dirt. Thus, a few drops are powerful enough to take away the said impurities. This is what makes Dawn dish soap cost-effective. Number 4. Wyman Wood Floor and Furniture Wipes.
The corners and edges of hardwood floors are dust-collecting havens. Unfortunately, mops leave dust behind. They leave trails of dust and dirt along the walls, entirely miss the baseboards, and can't even reach what's hiding in the corners. Now there's Wyman Wood Floor Wipes. They are specially formulated to lift the dust from floors and baseboards, plus they keep your wood surfaces safe from water damage. Wyman Wood Floor Wipes clean up what mops leave behind.
Number 5. Rejuvenate Cabinet and Furniture Restorer.
Now that you've cleaned your cabinets using Rejuvenate's Cabinet and Furniture Cleaner, now you can restore them. To restore them, you use Rejuvenate Cabinet and Furniture Restorer. Now, this is not a petroleum-based waxy product that's going to leave a buildup. This is actually a scientifically developed polymer that fills in scratches and scrapes, it eliminates dull spots, and then seals and protects from future damage, as well as dirt and grime as well. So let's show you how to use it. First off, just pour a little bit onto your mitt. Mitt's included with it. It's actually plastic lined too, so you don't get any of this product on your hands at all. And there are no obnoxious odors at all. First coat now just wipes on. That first coat's going to seal and protect from all those stains, water damage, steam damage, even UV damage. Now, you're going to wait about 5 minutes if you want to have a satin finish and wipe it right back on again. That gives you a satin finish. Another 5 minutes later, you can wipe another coat on. That'll give you a full high gloss finish. So within an hour, you can actually have all of your cabinets and furniture within your home completely restored to a full high gloss shine. And that's our Rejuvenate Cabinet and Furniture Restorer.